Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying our videos. Welcome to our IELTS series video number 1. Today, we bring to you the best hacks to prepare for IELTS in just 15 days. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about IELTS, including why it's important, the registration process, eligibility criteria, fees, and more. Supposedly, you have had less time to prepare for the IELTS. Then it's time to be creative to get a high band score, and these hacks will surely help you out. Let's start with an overview of the IELTS exam. Exam name: IELTS. IELTS exam full form: International English Language Testing System. Conducted by IDP British Council. Registration fee: $255 equal to 16,250 Indian rupees. Exam duration: 2 hours and 45 minutes. Exam pattern: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Mode of exam: paper-based and computer-delivered. Day 1. Evaluate yourself. Take a mock test and analyze your weaknesses to identify the sections you need to work on. Day 2. You need to understand all sorts of accents to score well. You have to start listening and speaking English and understanding the pronunciation and enunciation of the words. Listen to English radio, BBC. Watch online videos. Communicate in English. Day 3. Expand your vocabulary to improve your vocabulary. Start learning new words related to daily life, conversions, and topics. Learn phrases instead of words. Use an English to English dictionary. Learn the different forms of the words. Day 4. Be a good friend of yours. Start writing your daily routine in 200 to 250 words at the end of the day. It will help you in the writing test. Day 5. Use online resources. Although you have less time to prepare, use online resources to learn more and practice more. Reading a book can consume your time. Day 6. Do research on the type of questioning in IELTS and how it is asked in the exam. Day 7. Don't learn in isolation. One day, practice listening and speaking, and the next day, read and write. All skills are connected to each other, and so is smart work for a listening test while listening to the recording. Focus on pronunciation and be careful with singular and plural words. Take a quick look at the questions for the keywords. The answers are presented in a sequential format. If you missed question 3 and have an answer for question 4, then forget the previous question and focus on the current one. Day 9 reading test: read English beyond the test. Develop your skin in scan reading. Get familiar with the reading section of IELTS by taking a mock test. Day 10 writing test. While practicing British English and learning new words, you have to prepare for the writing test as well. Memorize the task structure and learn long phrases and words. Record your writing time and practice writing limited words within the time period. Day 11 speaking, test speaking can give you the chance to score well in the IELTS. To master the speaking section, you must know the assessment criteria and work on your fluency as well as your continuity. Focus on what you have asked for in the test. Make it with the examiner, for example. That's a good question. Let me tell you, it is like that. Day 12. Examine your preparation when you take the mock test. You have to check how you are scoring on the overall test and which areas you are lacking. Day 13. Boost your preparation. After knowing where to improve, make a strategy that works for you. Take the test. Check grammar amplification. Learn new words. Day 14. Give yourself feedback after all the steps you have taken. Give yourself honest feedback. Day 15. Be confident after putting in the effort for the IELTS exam. You have to be confident in every test you take. Following these steps will surely put you in a good position to prepare for your IELTS in just 15 days. Just make sure that you don't stress yourself out. Good luck with your preparations. In conclusion, if you're considering studying abroad, it's essential to prepare for and take the IELTS exam to demonstrate your English language proficiency. A good score can increase your chances of being accepted into top universities and improve your job prospects. Hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned until the next time.